MSI Creator Z17 Review. MSI's Creator Z17 features an exceptional design and makes life easier with a 21.7-inch display and its impressive build quality. In addition to that, the Z17 offers some amazing features such as VR-ready and secure digital media support. This laptop is made for hardcore gaming. It has insider hardware and has a very high screen resolution of 4K UHD. Inside and out, everything about the creative-leaning laptop has a bite that matches its visual bark. It even has LED lighting. This gray chassis is quite durable, which results in the ability to take a few more bumps and drops before it's batched rendering. This means that after the CNC milled aluminum chassis has taken some abuse, you will have little doubt as to how well it will hold up. The display of the keypad is neat and easy to use. It can do justice to the latest TV broadcast standards by also delivering a high-definition picture. It has digital noise removal as well as very fast upscaling. Most importantly, it provides a flexible user experience with HTML5, phone browser, and remote desktop app support on Windows 8 tablets or iPhone iPad mobile devices. M5 has a large touch pad. The difference is in the size of the touchpad and precision you can achieve by pressing the finger or stylus, which is again 50% larger compared to the Creative Z16. You press harder. If you want fast results, then M5 is up for it. The keyboard itself features per-key RGB lighting that's customizable through the SteelSeries Engine app and is comfortable to use for long periods. Similar to my previous example, keystrokes feel tactile and springy but isn't especially loud. Below the arrow keys is a fingerprint scanner that almost sinks into the bottom panel, an uncomfortable feeling. Port placement is pretty good with the right side holding single HDMI 2.1, USB-A, and SD card slots. The left side is where the power port, 2 USB-C ports and 3.5mm combo jack is located alongside a small LED battery life indicator. You can find a solution to the above problem, provided you have an AirPort Express Plus with an intuitive tool like Zovo Studio or Pixel Perfect Editor. Both of these software tools have excellent support for both USB-A and USB-C connectivity and come with a wide range of triggers just like the stylus pen. A separate fan system that cools the computer is a feature of some models and can be valuable when headsets are not provided. Having the accompanying DTS software can be helpful, but that isn't a reliable answer. If you are set on getting audio from your DTS, then a pair of headphones is probably best. MSI has made gaming laptops with good portability and performance, but the MSI Creator Z17 takes what it learned in that category and applies it to a lighter, more portable gaming laptop. A laptop like this Sony Vaio VPC-Z12P BFP500 is a joy to use. It scores respectably well in our Puget Bench Photoshop and Premiere Pro benchmark tests, delivering 1,217 and 985 points, respectively. At first attempts, the color looked ragged, but after some minor tweaks to the output photo and changes to my brush settings, Photoshop worked as expected. Premiere Pro can produce high-quality export files as fast or faster than any rival video editor. It's just a simple yet effective video that shows the Creator Z17's capacity to create compelling video content. The output image is very positive and could work well when used as an ad campaign. Rendering and exporting a minute standard HD video for something like Instagram took about 3 seconds. It's worth noting that Creator has 2 cores processing at an average of 1.7 TFLOPs. Fast enough to power 4K gaming, the Creator Z17 is still capable of dealing with most AAA games on medium or high settings. Keyframe accurate frame rates of 90 frames per second, 110 FPS and 120 frames per second were also achieved. Compared to other titles, this is a huge increase with resolutions of 1080p and higher. Once you've done this and set the settings to maximum, you'll definitely notice a huge difference in real-world performance. Total War Warhammer 3 pushed out an average 64 frames per second, while Dirt 5 with max settings at the same resolution averaged 59 frames per second. The frame rate of the game depends on your PC hardware configuration and other factors. If you're running at 1080p and have a 7th Gen i5-7400 CPU, for instance, you may get 90 frames per second even though you try to crank ultra high quality settings. The MSI Creator Z17 offers the same level of performance and power when paired with a laptop, but feels like a lot more than that when using the Z15s. The up-to battery life is admittedly an impressive feat that has only been achieved by laptops before. But the Creator Z17 was fast enough during the PCMark 10 battery life test to likely get you through a 16:9 movie or TV show without any issues. Thanks to MSI Battery Care, installing the app is a simple process. Some users have even used it for 100+ days on end to get sufficient battery life. Don't forget that you have real juice to make too. Innovative brands have started using jetpacks as well. The timing is delayed, with the charging time going down by even more than usual. This can help valuable time where you need it much more urgently.